Hello everybody, good day to you. Welcome back to the Dennis Bayway video channel. Are you ready for another episode of sales training? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that most of you forget to do very often, and that's asking for the referral. Are you ready? Let's go! Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the power of referrals. Now, why are referrals so important? Let me share with you what happened to me. 10 years ago, I started a new business, all right? And of course, I have to find customers, I have to find business associates to join my team to promote the product and service that our company was offering, okay? And 10 years, what happened? In fact, personally, I only referred less than 100 customers myself in the last 10 years, all right, through my own efforts. But through these customers, they referred people to me, and those people referred more people, and those people referred more people. And what happened? What happened was, through my referrals, right? Through my referrals, and not even the first direct referral, it's the second, third, fourth, some even the fifth, sixth level of referral, we found the right business associates and the right customers. And that grew the business to over 1 million customers today. Personally, I only referred less than 100 in the last 10 years. That means every year I refer less than 10, okay, on average. Right, but that grew to 1 million customers. And why? It's because of the referral. Okay, it's not because of the people that I brought in directly into the business and to buy the product and the service. Okay, so it's because of the referral. So here's 6 key points that you have to take note of, right? Why the referral is so powerful. Number 1, all right, let's look at number 1. Number 1, you have to believe in the power of the network. Okay, believe in the power of the network effect, right? Like what Robert Kiyosaki, the famous author, and one of my favorite mentors in personal finance and success, he said this very powerful sentence. He said, the value, okay, what we call the size of your network, all right, the size and value of your network is equivalent to the size and value of your net worth. All right, so through your network, you actually increase your net worth. Okay, so believe in the power of the network. Now, if you're not networking every day, you are not working. Okay, so networking is a serious job. It's a serious thing that we as sales people in sales, right, we have to do every day. Okay, you're not trying to sell your product every day. What you're doing is you're trying to build relationships with new people. You're trying to meet new people, right? Meet new people, and then from there, from your new contacts, all right, through your existing customers and through their referrals, you are building up relationships with new people, and from there you sort out your right customers and right business associates. So believe in the power of networking. That's point number 1 that I want you to remember. Point number 2, learn to leverage. Okay, leverage other people's network. All right, other people's network. Leverage their network. Why? Because you have limited time and you have limited contacts. Okay, there's only so many people you can meet every day. There's only so many things that you can do every day. Okay, you've only got that limited amount of time in a day, all right, within 24 hours, besides sleeping, eating, and doing other like daily essential things. Okay, now point number 3. Okay, point number 3, learn to ask. Open your mouth, ask your customers, ask your friends, ask your colleagues, ask your family for a referral or referrals. But be specific, right? Learn to be specific. Ask them to introduce specific types of people to you, depending on whatever you're promoting, your product, your business, or your service. Okay, so now let's give you an example. Let's say I'm promoting insurance. Okay, right? So who is my ideal customer to sell insurance to? All right, who are they? All right, so if I'm my age, right? If let's say I'm in my 30s to 40s, Then of course the ideal customer that I want to look for is the same age group as me, right? So I want to ask my friends, hey, do you know anybody who's between age 30 to 40s, right? Age 30s to 40s, and then I want to introduce them to financial planning, right? Financial planning, okay, and help them to get to know about our insurance products. All right, do you know anybody who you can refer to me who might be interested in our product or service? Okay, so ask for the referral. All right, or if you're selling something like a maybe like a nutritional product, all right, nutritional products, usually the age group that's more concerned about nutrition, health and all that, wellness, they are maybe between the late 40s to around maybe the 60s. Okay, so do you know anybody, right, that you can refer to me, right, who's very conscious about their health, conscious about their nutrition, wellness, they're already taking some nutrition products, right? I want to share with them about our fantastic new nutritional product. Okay, anybody who's between the mid 40s to 60s or above, right, something like that, can you introduce them to me? Okay, and if you like my product, okay, please refer more customers. All right, so learn to ask your friends and customers and colleagues and family for a referral. Now listen carefully, don't be afraid to ask for the referral. Why? Because if you are sincere, right, if you're genuinely sincere, and don't be pushy, okay, if you're not pushy about your product, you're just there to share about your benefits of your product, service or business, okay, people will sense your sincerity. People will sense your genuine passion about your product, and if they are your good friends or they are your trusted colleagues and family, they will want to help you out. Okay, they will want to help you out, and they would refer their potential customers to you. All right, they may say, hey, go talk to this guy, all right, because I know he might be someone that you're looking for. All right, so to them it's very easy. All right, it doesn't harm them, it doesn't cost them anything to just introduce 3 to 5 contacts to you. Okay, ask for the referral and be specific about what kind of customer you're looking for according to your product or service. All right, so let's talk about point number 4. Okay, ask your customers to share with their friends about your product or service. Okay, it's a very simple thing. A lot of you forget to do that. You say, hey, after you talked about your product or service, hey, if you like it, right? If you like this idea, if you like this product, if you like this concept, please help me share about my product and service to your people, to your friends, okay, to your colleagues, right, to your family, all right? And who knows, maybe they will be interested to use our product or service. Maybe they will be interested to buy our product or service. Okay, so ask them to share. Okay, so don't just ask for the referral. Ask your potential customer or the person that you presented your product or service to help you share about your product or service. Now, if your company had provided you with a small little like promotional advertisement video, okay, a video on YouTube, or a small little introduction e-flyer, all right, or some sort of a promotional material that's very easy for your friend to help you to share with their groups, to share with their contacts. They could just forward it as a text message, forward it as a picture through their WhatsApp, through their social media, through their Facebook Messenger. Ask them to help you share it, okay? And include your contact information there. Now let's go on to step number 5, okay? And it's directly related to step number 4, asking your customers to share about your product and service to their friends. Okay, how do you encourage them to share about your product and service to other people? How do you do that? Step number 5 is the answer. Okay, reward your friends, reward your customers, reward your business associates, whoever they are, your colleagues, your family, to refer customers to you. Okay, there must be some sort of an incentive. Okay, it could be free gifts, it could be little perks, right? It could be even money. Okay, so think about how you can incentivize and reward your friends for referring a customer to you.
okay? And all they have to do is just say, hey, hey bro, hey sister, you need to go check this out. My friend is doing this thing. My friend is promoting this wonderful, fantastic product, this fantastic service. It's called whatever, right? So just go to this link, go check it out, right? Or go. I'm gonna send you a flyer. Go read it. Tell me if you like it, right? So that's all they need to do. And if they were to successfully refer a customer to you who buys your product or service, you can give them some sort of a reward, okay? Maybe a referral commission. So remember, the power of rewarding your customers for referring other customers to you, right? That is super powerful, right? That is super powerful. It's like marketing through your network, okay? So you're converting your network into your marketers, into your sales team, right? For referring customers to you, they get some sort of incentive, all right? So let's talk about point number 6, all right? The last point for today. If a customer says no to your product, if a prospective customer says no to your product, say no, this is not for me. I don't want to buy it right now. Okay, don't stop there. Okay, don't just turn, oh, thank you for your time and go away, right? Because when they say no to you now, it does not mean no forever. It just means no now. Okay, at this time, this is not the right product or service or whatever business opportunity for them. Okay, it does not mean no to you. It does not mean, it's not personal, right? It does not mean no forever. Okay, and most importantly, it does not mean no to referring others. Okay, so don't stop there. If the customer says no, right, then you say, hey, thanks for listening. Thanks for allowing me to share about my product or service to you. Hey, do you know anyone else, right, who might be interested or who will like my product or service or my business opportunity, right? Can you refer them to me? I would really appreciate it. Okay, be grateful. Thank your contact, thank your friend, okay, first in advance. Say, hey, thank you, right? I really want to share about my product or service to more people. We really want to help more people use a better product or service. We really want to help more people know about this business opportunity or whatever, okay? And I would really appreciate if you can introduce some people to me, right? And I'm looking for people who love health, or people who love slimming, people who love to travel, people, whatever that's fitting to your product, business, or service. Okay, ask for the referral even if your customer or potential customer says no to you. Don't stop there. Still ask for the referral. Okay, and it happened to me many times. All right, people who say no, I say, hey, do you know anybody? Can you introduce me to somebody? I'm looking for somebody in your city, right? To launch this business off. I'm looking for somebody in your area. Okay, can you introduce some people to me? All right. Do you know anybody who's in marketing, in sales, or do you know people who are in fitness? Whatever it is that's related to your product or service. Be specific. Ask for the referral. Okay. So let's refresh. All right. Our 6 key points about using the power of referrals. Number 1, you gotta first believe in the power of the network. Okay, the power of the referral network. Okay. Number 2, you gotta leverage other people's contacts and their network so that you have unlimited contacts. Number 3, you gotta open your mouth, ask for the referral, and be specific what kind of people or customers you're looking for, right? Number 4, ask your customers to share about your product and service or business opportunity to their friends, okay? And number 5, reward them in return for introducing a customer to you who bought your product or service, right? And number 6, the last point is, when people say no to your product or service, don't stop there. Still ask them for the referral, because they're not saying no forever, all right? They're not saying no to you, right? They're just saying it's not for them, okay? But they can still refer others to you. So I hope today's video has been helpful. All right, I hope you took down all the 6 points. If not, watch this video over again a few times so that you can remember. Like and subscribe, right? Click on the like and subscribe go to my website, download my free book, sign up for my newsletter and free trainings on dennisbay.com/6secrets. All right, guys, thanks. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you again at the top.